In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Akko MonsGeek Fun60 Pro Gaming Keyboard. The MonsGeek Fun60 series, including the Fun60, Fun60 Pro, and Fun60 Max models, is a compact 61-key mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and productivity. Featuring a tri-mode connectivity, USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz, it supports a customizable experience with magnetic switches and adjustable actuation points for enhanced performance. The keyboard is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery for extended use and offers vibrant RGB lighting effects. Constructed with durable ABS casing and an aluminum plate, it ensures stability and quality in typing. Priced at $29.32 after a 15% discount, it emphasizes secure payment and privacy for users, although shipping to certain locations, including Bangladesh, may incur additional fees. The product also includes a user manual for easy setup and operation. Number 2. Ajazz AK820 Gaming Keyboard. The Ajazz AK820, AK820 Pro is a versatile mechanical keyboard featuring an 82-key layout and designed for both gaming and general use. It offers multiple connectivity options, including wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, making it compatible with desktops, laptops, and tablets. The keyboard is constructed with durable PBT plastic keycaps and includes hot swap switches for easy customization. Priced at $35.33 after a 52% discount, it emphasizes secure payment and privacy for users. However, shipping may be restricted to certain locations, including Bangladesh. The product is available in a sleek black color and comes with a user manual for guidance. Number 3. Aula F87 Pro Gaming Keyboard. The Aula F87 Pro is a compact 87-key mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and general use, featuring a tri-mode connectivity with options for Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C. It boasts a robust 4000 mAh battery for extended use and incorporates a 5-layer sound dampening structure for a quieter typing experience. The keyboard supports customizable RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors and includes hot swappable switches, allowing users to easily change switches without soldering. Constructed with durable PBT double-shot keycaps, the F87 Pro offers a premium feel and is ergonomically designed for comfort during prolonged use. Priced at $49.68 after a 50% discount, it emphasizes secure payment and privacy for users, though shipping to certain locations may be limited. Number 4. Leobog Hi75 Gaming Keyboard. The Leobog Hi75 is a customizable mechanical keyboard DIY kit designed for enthusiasts, featuring an 82-key layout and constructed from durable aluminum alloy. It supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing for versatile switch options, and includes hot swappable capabilities. The keyboard offers RGB backlighting with 17 different lighting modes, enhancing the gaming experience. The package includes a USB Type-C cable, user manual, and keycap puller, making it user-friendly for assembly. Priced at $61.49 after a 30% discount, it emphasizes secure payment and privacy for buyers. The product is available for shipping to Bangladesh, with an estimated delivery date of June 24th. Number 5. Iyx MU68 Pro Gaming Keyboard. The Iyx MU68 Pro is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and everyday use, featuring a compact 68-key layout with customizable options. It includes hot swappable switches, allowing users to easily replace the TTC or Keychron switches for a tailored experience. The keyboard supports RGB lighting with full key programming and macro settings, making it suitable for both casual and advanced gamers. It is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, and offers adjustable key travel settings for personalized responsiveness. With a price of $110.26, it also comes with a 10% discount and shipping options to Bangladesh. The product emphasizes security and privacy in handling personal data.